How to buy from Weidian. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first what you want to do is find a product on Weidian that you want to buy. So I've got this jacket right here, and if I would like to buy this, what you want to do first is click on the link, and when you click on that link it will take you to this page right here. So here you can just go and sign up to We Go Buy. So this is a Chinese agent that orders a product for you and sends quality control photos, and if you tell them that everything is okay, they will ship it out to your address anywhere in the world. So go ahead and create your account right here, and it's really easy. Just enter your email, passport and verification code, and then click on sign up. So then you want to copy the link of the product you would like to buy, and then go to the We Go Buy and then paste in that link, then click on buy for me, and then you will see the product. So after that you can now choose a color. In this case there's different colors. You can choose a size, and you'll also be able to see the price in US dollars. So then you can click on add to cart or buy now, and then you can select the country and fill in your country. So now for an additional service you can ask for a detailed photo, so you can just type that in the box and then they will do that as well. Now they will always send some general photos of the product that you order, so then you can also see if everything is all right. So then click on I have read and agree to the disclaimer and service agreement and click on submit, and now you will need to go ahead and pay for it. So you can pay via PayPal, Visa or your balance, or this option given on the screen. After that we can go to We Go Buy and we will order it from Weidian, and then when it's in your warehouse you can see my warehouse right here, and then you will see the items in storage, and then items will be shown. Once they have been inspected and stored in the storage, they can you can see the pictures and approve it. So then as you can see, you will submit the delivery order and then fill in your shipping, then it will be delivered and it is completed. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.